Hello friends, today I will review one of the most important book on C programming language, Let Us See by Yashwant Kanatkar. This book is one of the most popular book in India on C programming language. You will hardly find a student of C who has not studied this book. On the cover itself, we find it is shown that 3 million copies had been sold. Perhaps more has been sold. And it is currently in 15th edition, or maybe there are other editions also. You will hardly find a book which has undergone so many editions. So this shows the popularity of the book. However, as far as edition is concerned, I must say that most of the changes are merely cosmetic. That means the changes are not very stark in each edition. In fact, few chapters are removed in one edition, in another it is added. So more or less, the things remain pretty much same. So instead of reviewing a particular edition, I will review the whole book in totality. Basically, chapters are demarcated properly. In the older edition, you will find that the demarcation of the chapter was much more better. In the newer edition, I find that some of the chapters had been artificially divided in two or more chapters. So instead of going by the division of a particular edition, I will give an overall impression of the book. The first chapter in most of the edition is the fundamental chapter. In this chapter, the origin of C has been explained from where it started, who were the founders. Then the chapter goes on to describe the different types of variables, constants, operators, hierarchy of operators, and all the basic things, keywords. And these things are explained in the first chapter. It is quite well written and covers the most important things which should be covered in these types of chapter. Next comes the conditional statement. In conditional statement, the concept of if-else has been explained. The chapter is quite well written. However, one problem with the book of Yashwant Kanatkar is that chapter are theoretically quite good. All the chapters, in fact, most of the chapters are very good, very well written as far as theory is concerned. But as far as program is concerned, the programs which are given here are merely those programs which are good for explaining the concept which is described. But for academic purpose, for exam purpose, the programs are not suitable. That means the programs which comes in most of the technical exam, we will not find in the book. The book is very good as far as theory is concerned and explaining the concept of the C programming language. But as far as programming is concerned, the programs which comes in most of the exams, will hardly find it here. However, theoretical things are very well covered. Iterative statement loops are very good and very nicely explained. All the three types of loop, the differences are illustrated with example. The concept of break and continuity is also explained properly. The concept of nested loop too is very well written. However, the disadvantage is that you will hardly find programs which comes in examination. Programs which are needed for academic examination, you will not find it. Then comes the chapter of function. This chapter 2 is quite well written. Here, the concept of call by value, the call by reference, actual parameter, formal parameter, recursive functions. These are quite well dealt with. However, the same problem exists in this chapter also, the problem of programming. In fact, the whole book has this problem. You will hardly find programs which are required for appearing in examination. It explains the concepts, the programs which are given explains the concept of function and rest of the topic very well. But as I said, for academic exams, the things are missing. Then comes the preprocessor. The preprocessor chapter is quite well written. All the preprocessor are explained with good examples. However, I must say that this chapter doesn't require any programs which are important for exams, and so this chapter I can say is perfect. Then next comes the array. Array chapter is very well written. The theoretical concept is very well explained. The concept of pointers, an array, call pointer to an array, and all these things are very well written. Two-dimensional array, single-dimensional array. These two are very well written. However, as I mentioned before, what is lacking is program. For example, you will hardly find programs on matrix, which is very important for academic exam. Chapter on structure, I must say, is one of the best chapter. Very, very good, very nicely it is written. And this chapter, as we know, is very important because later on there is a subject in all the technical courses, which is data structure in C. So it is important that students have a sound foundation on this chapter. And this chapter is quite well written here. And as far as program is concerned, this chapter need not have very good programs because programs related to these chapters are not very common in C chapter, in C subject, in the core C subject. However, when data structures is studied, then programming in this programming based on this chapter becomes important. String chapter 2 is quite well written. The concept of library functions are well described. String length, string compare, string concatenate, all these functions, all these library functions are pretty well explained with examples. Leftover. In most of the edition of the book, you will find that there is a chapter leftover, which deals with concept like union, operations on bits, and all these chapters. Besides this, there are two chapters which I haven't mentioned here, which is very important. I haven't directly written it here because in different edition it is mentioned in different ways. One very good chapter is about pointer. I must say the pointer has been very well dealt by Yashwant. He has written the chapter on pointers quite well. Different concept of pointer has been explained. Similarly, chapter on, in some editions, switch case is a separate chapter. The case statement has also been very well written. In overall, I can say that let us see is one of the popular book which every student should study who want to study C in India. However, I must warn, this book is not sufficient, for you will hardly find programs which are needed for academic exam. In fact, there are not very good books. There are very few books which deals with C programming for academic purpose. And it is one of the big disadvantage for students. Hope you have liked my review of this book. If you have liked the review of the book, then please subscribe to this channel. I would also request the viewers to mention to me the book which he or she wants to get reviewed. Do watch our next videos. Thank you.